The creators behind Journeymore. If you haven't been following us recently, we have set out to stay in some of the most unique Airbnbs in America and share our experience with you. We took a week to stay in 5 different Airbnbs back to back. The first was a 100-foot fire tower, the second a whimsical treehouse, and now the coziest treehouse to ever exist called the Owl in the Oak. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of our other incredible stays.
Going to stay in probably one of the coolest looking tree houses we have stayed in.
So we've made it here. We just had to park on the street, and then there's a little stone path next to their house that we're gonna walk down and get to the tree house.
Check it out. Wow.
What's the last 4 digits of your phone number again?
Ooh.
Oh. Probably the coziest place we've been in.
It's so small. I like it.
It is. I like that it's small because I can just reach it wherever you're at. I can't wait to sleep up here with you tonight.
I know, me too.
Now it's time for a full tour of the Owl in the Oak Treehouse in Duluth, Georgia. So let's go. Once you've come up this spiral staircase, you get to cross this magical bridge that is lined with these twinkling lights to make you feel like you're in a magical forest. And then you've got this nice deck, and it actually wraps around, and there's this seating area that overlooks all these gorgeous trees in the woods. And then coming inside, you immediately feel so cozy by the small space that is so well decorated and has everything that you could need to enjoy your time here. So you've got a nice little couch that's actually a pull-out, so it has a twin bed inside in case you want another person to stay here. An ottoman with storage inside, since there's not a lot of room, you can put your stuff in here. A little chair that actually converts into a workspace. Coming into the kitchen, right here is where your refrigerator is. Kind of like a cooler, but it's a refrigerator, so you can bring cold foods. There's not a ton of room, so don't bring too much. They give you water, snacks, coffee, lots of utensils and dishware, and then this cute little sink along with some pots and pans. And then a surprise, you actually have a little stovetop under here. So right off this kitchen, there's this heater, and then there's also this heater as well. So a quick note, there is no air conditioning in this tree house. However, they do have lots of big windows that you can open up, along with fans that are placed strategically throughout the house to make sure that you stay cool while you're inside. Over here, we have the bathroom. There's a composting toilet and then a shower, and then they also have soaps for you, and then some nice fluffy towels. Going upstairs, up ladder. Once you get up here, you have a little bedside table and then this beautiful bed. Which is actually really comfortable. And then they also provide you with bedside lights and little charging cords for your phones. And that completes our tour. This cozy place is amazing. And now we get to start on food.
Yes.
Some food in our bellies. We're gonna take a little outside break.
Take a little hiatus. I think one of our favorite things about this treehouse is how small it is, but the space is used really well. And I love that he made a spiral staircase around a tree and then a bridge that comes to the treehouse. Those things make it very unique. And we met the owner, Kyle, and he actually built this treehouse, is building another one, and built one in Atlanta. And so this is kind of his trade, is building treehouses. And so far, he is doing a great job. Now, we'll do dinner.
We are having a little charcuterie board.
It's very easy.
Yes.
And if you haven't seen our last video, we stayed in a really cool treehouse there that had a pizza oven. Didn't work out very well. So if you want to see that, you can click up here. It was an amazing stay.
Yes.
But
we needed something today that could not go wrong.
That is true.
Are you gonna help me make the charcuterie board? Look at you.
I'm gonna try. Ooh, you did good, babe.
You did too. My free seltzer from Kroger.
This is my favorite. You could pretty much wrap mozzarella in anything and I'd probably eat it.
I didn't know you liked those so much.
I love them. Are you impressed how much we ate?
Yes.
It was probably 75% me.
It was really good though. I'm happy with that.
Me too. Take the screen back.
That feels so nice.
That's pretty cool.
We've worked a little bit and now it's time to play some cards.
Oh yeah. So what are we gonna do now?
I'm gonna watch a little bit of a show, just unwind, then go to bed.
I think so.
Alright.
Yeah.
Bedtime, it's bedtime.
But I think the best part, especially when you have the windows open, is just the sound of the birds and the nature around you.
Let's do breakfast. And maybe some coffee. Now for one of my favorite parts, the guest book.
All right, now it's time for us to pack up and go. We are headed out now from the Owl and the Oak. This place was amazing. Probably the coziest, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely.
Yeah. If you guys really love this spot and want to come stay yourselves, we will leave a link in the description below. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it. Let us know down in the comments, is this a place that you would come stay? We would love for you to be a part of the Journey More community, so be sure to subscribe as well. That way you don't miss out on any of our new videos and new adventures. So come journey more with us.
And we'll see you next time. Look at that. What's that called?
Peter, you're my little stovetop. Oh, sorry.
A flavor.
No. Ah, that was so gross.
Wrapping things today. It's fine.